Dahil inaantok pa ako, bumili akong Cobra. Kahit bawal, kasi nga, inaantok ako para magising ako. Wala akong kape. So, tapos na yung isang program. Susunod yung akin. Inaantok pa ako. Ano oras na? It's 9:07. And I'm still sleepy. Okay, so we'll begin the show. Habang inaantok pa. So, ang title ng mini vlog today is Inaantok Ako. What? Here's what's playing. Oh, freaking bad. Him cries the Lord. 96.7 Destiny Radio. Saya lang. That was Maroon 5 with their song Sunday Morning. Pag daw nagsiselebrate ng Mansari, ibig sabihin daw nun, hindi aabot ng anniversary. Kaya months pa lang, nagsiselebrate na. At wala isi-celebrate next year eh. Now after the talk, I'm gonna spend the rest of my hours doing nothing. Yun lang for this mini vlog. See? Kita niyo sa mata, nantok pa. Bye!